Hey, what's up everybody? As you can see, I am at the beach. And I thought, man, this is a true test of a hair system. This is a true test of the bond. This is a true test of just about everything that goes with wearing hair. And second day at the beach, look at this. I mean, I have been in these waves crashing over my head, frontward, forward, backwards, sideways, and rolled under, and everything you can imagine. I've been on a golf cart, an electric bike, and just blowing and going. Now, this is the M101. It's a lot sturdier product. The skin is a bit thicker, and even the hairline still looks pretty good. And so many people have asked me, I would do a hair system, but I'm just afraid I'm just going to have to baby it all the time and be so careful and constantly worry about it. Well, I haven't even considered the things on my head for these past 2 days. And you can see it's as steady as can be. Literally, I promise you, I hadn't even considered it, haven't even thought about it. I've just got hair instead of a blistered, bald head. So, hey, it's all good. Over and out. Peace.